my very first video on packing cubes. This one's going to be a series. We're going to tackle what they are, how they work for you, how to get the most out of them, how do you pick one, where to find one. There's a whole bunch of questions, but let's just start with what it is. So what does a basic packing cube look like? Like that. That's a basic packing cube. What does it do? It takes all your clothes and compresses them to some extent and organizes them so that you can travel more efficiently, you can pack better, you can take less or take more. That depends on you. Most packing cubes are a rectangular or structured cube and they have a zippered panel that goes around. What you can do is put all of your clothes inside it, and when you need to, most often they have a handle. You could just pull this one out of your bag, and that way you know exactly what is in your bag and where it is. It's made of synthetic fabric and it usually has a breathable panel on the front. By breathable panel, I mean it's a mesh panel that allows your clothes to not get smelly. It takes a stack of clothes like this and organizes it so that when you're traveling, you know exactly what to find where, and let's see how it's done. This is a stack of clothes. It has a fair mix of things. There's a pair of jeans, there's a couple of tops, there's a pair of shorts, there's a very thick scarf or shawl, a travel towel, and a tote. All of this will now fit into this packing cube. When done, simply zip it up and you essentially have enough for a couple of days. Now that you know what a packing cube is and what it's used for, the next video will tackle how to pack packing cubes better, what are the different kinds of packing cubes you have, and which one might be right for you.